Got a boring multi-page report sitting in your drive? Let's turn it into a clean one-page infographic in like 2 minutes using NotebookLM. First thing, open up NotebookLM and start a new notebook. Then upload your report. Mine's a PDF, a few pages long, could be a research paper, a business report, whatever you've got. Drop it in, let it process for a few seconds, and there we go, it's in. Now head over to the Studio panel. That's where all the output options live. Click the arrow beside Infographic and this Customize panel pops up. Here's where you get some control. You've got your language up top, I'll leave that on English. Then orientation, landscape, portrait, or square. Since this is going on a slide, I'll go with landscape. Below that, pick a visual style. There's auto select, kawaii, clay, sketch note, anime, and more if you scroll the arrow. I'll just keep it on auto select so it matches the tone of the report. Then choose your level of detail, concise, standard, or detailed. I'll go with standard, it's the sweet spot. Sources is already set to my uploaded report. That's the one it'll pull from. And down here you can guide it with a quick prompt. I'll type something like use a blue color theme and highlight the 3 key stats. Then hit generate. It runs in the background so you can keep working while it cooks. Usually takes under a minute. And boom, look at that. All the key points from that long report turned into one clean visual. Click into it to see it full size, and when you're happy with it, hit the 3 dots, then download. It saves as a PNG, ready to drop into a slide deck, a social post, anywhere. That's it. One report, one page, way easier to actually read. Try it on your next report and let me know how it turns out.